Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering the essentials, the converter tool, and the image you want to use. Open the app or web tool, then load your PNG or JPG. Keep images under 1024 pixels for cleaner results. Once done, select the target output type, map, block palette, or schematic, because each changes how pixels map to blocks. Make sure to pick a color palette that matches your desired Minecraft palette, otherwise colors will be remapped automatically and may look off. You now adjust the conversion settings to control quality and performance. First, set the scale and pixel-to-block ratio, so 1 image pixel equals 1 block, or a custom ratio if you need compression. Then choose the block palette, default for speed, faithful for color accuracy, or load a custom palette to match your server. Once done, toggle dithering to smooth gradients, set max build height if exporting 3D layers, and enable layer export when you want separate schematic slices for assembly. You finish by previewing and exporting the conversion. Use the preview to inspect color mapping, block counts, and any artifacts. This step prevents costly rebuilds. Then export to the format you chose, save the output with a clear name, and if applicable, import the schematic into your world or apply the map file. If things go wrong, colors off, missing blocks, resize the image, switch palettes, or disable dithering, then rerun the conversion. That single tweak fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.